All right, so we have the fire on. We have it pretty high at around 7. So now, Evan,
Yes.
we have the ground chicken open. So I want you to season the chicken.
Yes.
So we're gonna use some garlic powder,
Salt and pepper.
salt and pepper. Okay, and then as we get deeper into the cooking, we'll use a taco seasoning to make sure the meat is seasoned well. So let's get started. Come on.
First of all, we're gonna start with the garlic powder.
Garlic powder, yeah.
We're gonna open it, just split it a bit.
Yeah, be careful it comes out a little. No, not like that.
We want to
So we want to spread it out. A little more, a little more. All right, good. You gotta try to get it around, not all in one area. All right, come on, salt.
Salt it up.
And I booked us the ticket.
All right, cool. Now pepper. Yeah, same way. A little bit more. All right, next one. All right, cool. All right, so let's take the pan off of the fire. No. Just move it off. Physically move it off. Grab it, yeah. Take the spray. Spray, wait. Oh, wait. Turn away from the fire, yeah. Now, spray all around. Good. All right, cool. Now put it back on the fire. We're gonna allow that oil to heat up. And we're basically just using some Pam spray. And as soon as it heats up, we're gonna just drop the chicken in. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, Evan, check the pan, see if it's pretty hot.
It's pretty hot. I think it's the right temperature. I think it
Right.
is.
Okay. All right, so let's go. Let's drop the chicken in. It should sizzle when we drop in.
Okay, we're gonna
Go. Good. Nice sizzle. All right, let's drop the other one on top.
Yeah.
Drop the other one on the other side. Yeah, perfect. All right, so
We're gonna start taking the pan.
hold it. Let me show you. If you hold it closer to the bottom, you have more leverage. So if you hold it further out here, it's
You're
gonna
not
move
gonna be
around.
so-
Right.
You wanna close and you wanna start chopping it up.
So chop it up into little pieces.
Okay.
Because it's ground chicken. Make sure you don't spill any outside, alright?
You wanna be close and not too far in.
Yeah, but you want to make sure all the chicken stays in the pan.
Yeah.
Alright, good job. So we'll come back to you in a few after it's all chopped up. Alright?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Looking good, buddy. Alright, Evan, so I think we've had it cooking for about 10 or so minutes, 12 minutes. So what are we doing? What are you doing right now?
Right now I'm turning it around, making sure it's good. And if you see like these big chunks, right, we're gonna start cutting it up more just to make sure it's small enough.
Alright, cool. So continue to chop it up.
Now we're gonna
Remember, hold the spatula closer.
Ooh, that's hot.
Chop it up into small pieces, right?
Okay.
And then we're gonna get the taco seasoning, and we're gonna season it with that soon. All right, so see you in a couple of seconds. But looking good so far. It's smelling good actually, right?
I just smell from here.
Nice. All right, so we're looking good with the chopping the chicken up. Now we're gonna season it. Show me what you're using.
Taco seasoning.
Let me see. All right,
You
cool.
can get this from any store, from Walmart or others.
Yeah, we usually get it from Walmart.
So now we're gonna go.
So tear the top, yeah.
We're gonna cut it.
No, tear the whole thing open.
Oh wait, whoa, that's not even
All right, good. Now try to spread it evenly on the chicken. No, evenly. Yeah, go ahead.
The bag's not fully open a little bit. Open just a bit.
Yeah,
We're
good.
gonna start
Yeah.
shivering it. We're gonna start shivering it.
All over.
You want to start shivering from corner to left to right. Want some more here?
All right.
Some more here.
Yeah.
Should be good.
All of it.
Oh,
Oh my god!
Alright, so this is 1 pack of taco seasoning for 2 packs of chicken. Alright. Alright, so now fill this up with water.
Filter?
It don't matter. Pour that in here. Pour that in the chicken.
Let me do this way.
Just pour it all in. From closer, Evan, so it doesn't splatter.
Okay.
Put a little bit more. A little bit more water.
There's a racer behind me.
Good. Now it's really smelling like taco. Evan, from closer so that it doesn't splatter.
Yeah.
Alright, garbage. Put that in the garbage. Alright, so now let's continue to chop this up and mix it up really nice.
Okay.
You could turn the heat down a little bit.
To 7?
So like 5.
Okay, got it.
Alright, so about a few more minutes and the chicken will be done. So we're just gonna end up covering this up so it could all cook up nice. And
And we'll see the results from there.
yeah, then we gotta chop up the lettuce and get the tortillas warm. And then we're good to go. And we're all hungry, right guys? We're all hungry? Yes? You hungry, Amy? Alani, you hungry? That's the baby, Alani.
The baby.
And the twins are playing MotoGP. And Suri and Emmy and the big bro is in the room.
Catch you in part 3.
Alright, so let's take a look at the chicken. Let's see how it's coming along.
A little hot. Hold up.
Oh, get the glove?
I'm gonna get a glove because it's always important to make sure your hands are covered and protected. So you wanna
And just put the lid over there on the other side of the stove. Nice.
nice and
Alright, so let's mix this up a little bit more. Chop it. Mix it up. Yeah, good. Nice. Nice color. Get it off on the edges too. Alright, let me help you out a little bit with that.
Oh, you see the brown?
Yeah, the brown is the good.
That's what you really want in a taco. You hold it down.
So I don't know, this is about like, takes about 20 minutes to cook.
At least. Some might have wanted crispy, some wanted it lighter, but you're working on like some
So I like a little bit of brown,
same.
a little bit of color in it.
Not too crispy, but crispy enough.
Yeah. Don't want it dry. Alright, so now that's good. Put the cover back on. We'll leave it for a couple more minutes. And then we should be good. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to the lettuce. So I gave him a little bit of instruction on how to cut. So, are you confident?
Yes, kind of.
Alright, let's do it.
So
Alright.
basically going here like 2 like this.
Yeah.
Small edges.
Yo, not so close to your finger, so yeah, hold the lettuce down so you have pressure. Go. Good. Cut all the way through. A little smaller, a little smaller.
Right here?
Yeah. Could go even a little smaller than that. Yeah. With that, we're just gonna put it in this lettuce washer. I'm gonna rinse it off with water, spin it. I guess it's called lettuce washer, I'm not sure. And then we're like a few minutes closer to eating. I think it's gonna be delicious. Evan's first meal, and he's making tacos. Well, he knows how to make soup, but trying something different now.
Catch you in
Soon.
Catch you in part 4. Peace out.
I don't know what part this is actually, but
It's like part-
let's
it's part
just say
3.
let's just say soon.
Soon, I guess.
All right, cool. All right, looking good, my man.
Hey.
So this is pretty much done. We're just doing one final chop, 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 chop. And then we're just gonna shut it off.
Chill that brown, that's really good.
Get that little big piece right there.
Yeah, I saw that right there.
Right there, right there. No, no. Right there, yeah, that piece.
Ooh, I see that brown.
That piece. All
A
right,
little big brown.
chop it, chop it. It's good. Alright, so let's so that looks pretty done, so we'll just cover it so it can stay warm. And then shut off the heat, yeah. All the way off. Is it all the way off? I didn't hear it click. It's off? Alright, so just move it all the way over here so we avoid no this way. So we avoid accidents, good. Alright, looking good, buddy. So now let's get the tortillas out. We have the lettuce over there. And we're gonna start assembling this, right? And mommy's in the background making a lot of noise, so excuse me. But so yeah, we're using some flour tortillas, and we'll get back to you when we assemble.
Hey guys, so we finished doing the meat, the onions, and the lettuce in the back.
Well, we're gonna cook the onions now.
Yep. We're gonna cook the onions, and also we're going to maybe later on, right? After this, we're gonna heat it up, right?
We're gonna start assembling the tacos. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour a little bit of oil in the pan. We have a pan in medium heat.
Splash, right?
Yeah. It could do a little bit more than that. Good. Alright. So, I don't know, 1 or 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil.
You just want like...
And make sure, move it around the pan. So what you can do. Alright, good. Alright, so there's olive oil in there. We're gonna put a little bit of salt. Salt that up. Put the spoon down. Yeah. Good. Alright. And my secret
recipe
is a little bit of Splenda. Can you get 2 packs of Splenda?
That's questioning why it smells like that sometimes.
Huh?
It smells like something else with the onions.
Alright. So onions by itself is good, but when you get the sweetness out of it, it's even more
really
delicious.
Makes it pop out.
Yeah.
You want to square it around it?
All of it. Just put it, yeah. So 1 might be enough, right?
We're gonna put 2 just in case.
Alright, good.
Just have some flavor.
Alright. Alright, mix that up. Yeah.
You're gonna put it all together, right?
Alright, what we having?
Right now, we are about finally done. We have the meat nice and tightly seasoned already. We have the Mexican cheese. And look at that nice, see that brown right there? Good.
Uh-huh.
You always want that good brown.
We got the Mexican cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Some good old Kraft.
We got some.
We got some Daisy. I don't know why we got light. I guess we're on a diet.
I guess. And we got the...
We got some grilled onions.
And some
cilantro. Some lettuce.
And some heated up...
Some polato tortillas, bro.
Some heated up tortillas.
Alright.
Tortillas, okay?
So now let's assemble one.
Nice and formed. Let's start putting our first taco in.
Yep. So how you gonna do this? Go for it.
Who wants to go first?
Let's make one for Jace.
Jace? Okay. So Jace wants, of course, some meat. Some
Yeah.
1 part of salad.
Alright.
Unless you're vegan, don't mind.
So I'll do like
2 scoops, right?
yeah, like
one, like a
one, like half one more. Yeah. That's
decent amount of
good.
meat.
That's good. All right, bring it here.
Jace likes cheese.
No. Yeah.
Want some lettuce? No.
Little bit.
so
Like a
much?
pinch, yeah.
I like a pinchy pinch. Right there?
More, yeah.
That's good, right?
Now a little bit of cheese, a pinch of cheese. No. It's just pinch it. It's gonna come out easy. So.
This one like a pinchy pinch.
Yeah.
With a winchy winch. And some diet light cream.
Alright.
Oh.
No. Tie that. Wait, actually, sorry.
Okay.
Blooper. Open it. Forgot to open this. Yeah. Alright, good.
I'm about to say, I broke it, then we have no chance. Twist it in, close it, open it, and just put it tap.
Like a line. Good. Alright. Now this is a taco. Alright. That's it. We close this up.
You know, take a little bite.
Take a little bite.
Juicy. Ice and cooked,
Official.
real juicy.
Alright. So how do you feel about making the tacos, bro?
it's like I'll say like a normal level for me. It's a little hard at some parts. Of cutting can be hard, especially the onion. That was the most fun I have difficulties with. The chicken, it's not so hard to grill it up with that, but like
It wasn't that hard to cook the chicken, right?
the chicken was not hard. You had to just move around.
How long it took to cook the chicken, you
The
think?
chicken, I'll say like about like 20 at least, because like it took about like 5 to like almost like 5 to 10 maybe, to cutting around and moving it around. After
Yeah.
it starts getting a little bit color, we start adding more seasoning towards it and cutting it more until the point with the finale, like 3 steps.
Okay,
And then
so
the last step-
all in all, to make tacos, how long it take you?
Like a decent 40 to maybe 50 or 45 or less than 35. You can do it quick enough.
All right, so you're new, so it probably took you a little bit, like closer to an hour. But that's because you're learning. So once you get it down packed, you'll be able to make it in about 30 minutes. You can't help the cooking time. The chicken gotta cook, so you can't help that. But everything else, the process of chopping onions, chopping down the meat, it all gets easier as you go, right? So next, let's shoot over to the taste test. All right? See you in a
that's the
second.
Crispy.
All right.
Gotta get crispy.
Finished product right here.
Everything and a little bit cemented.
All right. Taste testing your own tacos.
Me, I like mine with a lot of lettuce. I don't know why lettuce always hits for me in taco. So we can try it out. The lettuce is perfectly washed down. Tastes amazing to me. A nice warm tortilla. Wow. And the crispiness is just what hits the spot. For my first time, I
So
would
you
consider it
approve?
a best.
All right, cool.
As an out.